Our Honorable Prime Minister, in his speech on the occasion of Independence Day in 2021, declared that 14th August be observed as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day. This day has been envisaged to bring to light the agony, suffering and pain experienced by millions during partition. The partition was the largest displacement of human population in the last century. Chicago, Dr. Bharat Bharai, Hari Bhai Patel and his entire team who have supported us to organize this event at a very short notice. We also have Dr. Ram Avatar, Project Officer Yoga, Government of NCT of Delhi. I would also like to welcome him.
का आयोजन किया तो ये पूरा शिकागो में एक ही लोग कर सकते हैं, एक ही है। ये एमपी रह चुके हैं, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट के लिए ये बहुत जो पार्टीशन रिमेम्बरेंस डे ये इसका हमारे साथ एक साथ रिमेम्बरेंस के लिए अपने आए हैं, इसलिए आप सब लोगों को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ। मैं आगे अंग्रेजी में बताऊंगा, बोलूंगा। Remembering partition, and we must be grateful to make it a national issue and a Remembrance Day to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, because in 2021 he proposed to the country, let's remember this. Because when we are in school, and of course most of you are much senior to me, and I'm sure in your childhood it was even more frequently remembered what happened during the partition. Now if we forget our history, we are more prone to make mistakes, similar mistakes. If you don't forget, then our priorities, the way we speak, the way we choose our political course and our everyday life, we know what was the mistake and we do accordingly. And that is the reason any great society, any great country remembers their history. Partition is a watershed in not only the history of our subcontinent, but also in the global stage for various, reasons. People argue that, partition was something inevitable. Is to remember, when we make mistake, what happens? There are many, estimates. Some estimates say 5 lakh, some estimates say 1 million, 10 lakh. How many people died during partition? We put a figure to that with confidence. How do you define those who exactly died during that time, or who over years quickly in the next 2-3 years died because of consequence of partition? We don't know, but at least 5 lakh people died immediately in those months, 1 to 2 months. And today, for any incident in the world, man-made incident, I'm not talking of other reason, even 1/10 of that number of death causes worldwide reaction, which we understand. But
August will be observed as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day. We have a background on Partition Horror Remembrance Day. The partition of India in its most basic form is a story of unprecedented human displacement and forced migration. It is a story in which millions sought new homes in environments that were alien and resistive. More than being a story of violent divide based on faith and religion, it is also a story of how a way of life and ages of coexistence came to a sudden and dramatic end. About 6 million non-Muslim moved out from what had become West Pakistan, and another 6.5 million Muslims moved out from the Indian part of Punjab, Delhi, etc. into West Pakistan. In the east, an estimated 2 million non-Muslim moved out of East Bengal, which is Pakistan, and later in 1950 another 2 million non-Muslim moved into West India, Bengal. It is estimated that about 1 million Muslims had moved out of West Bengal. The estimate of those killed has varied from 5 lakh to over 10 lakh. The generally accepted figure stands at around 5 lakhs. In Calcutta, communal riots in Calcutta. Life in the city was again paralyzed. The new market in the heart of the shopping and amusement center was attacked and many shops were ransacked. 3 large fires broke out in north and central Calcutta. Next, please. Next, please. Curfew to remain, says governor. Plans to safeguard city to continue. Next, please. Calcutta riots. Mr. R.L. Walker, Chief Secretary.
Hindu city. Probably you don't know why they have written it. Because till 14th August 1947, it was not really known whether Calcutta will be part of Pakistan or India. In that context,
टाइम शी नोज उनके फादर भी थे जो फ्रीडम फाइटर थे, उसने भी आज़ादी की मूवमेंट में बहुत बड़ा योगदान दिया था। कहने का मतलब हो है आज अपने को इसके बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा पता नहीं है, मगर ये सब कुछ हुआ है आपने जब देखा। वी हैव अ वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम, दैट्स व्हाई लेट मी गिव यू कन्नू भाई Karsaria, who is actually served 15 years as a MLA. He is actually
copy Freedom at Midnight. I have forgotten the name of author, but all these details I have gone through at that time. It was horrible. And you mentioned Noakhali. Gandhi was in Noakhali during those days to prevent all this. And in that book it is mentioned that Gandhi was a one-man army. अगर गांधी जी ने जो का इतना प्रभाव का इस्तेमाल न किया होता तो शायद 10 million, 5 million, rather it had doubled the killing and this all जो हुआ ये ज्यादा बिगड़ सकता था, मगर अकेला उसने खूब कलकत्ता में
freedom fighter and he is active member of the Swatantrata Senani. He went to the jail. Even my cousin grandfathers, they are 4 brothers. One of them, he never get married and he worked for the country. The other 3, they did get married, but only one brother was taking care of the family. And other 3 are always out for the nation. And that came in our family. So my dad, me, we are all here. What we have seen, this is still going on in the world. It's not end. This war, the separation is not end. It happened in different country. It started from 6 country and now it's ended at 57 Islamic nation total altogether. So, and it's keep growing. You have seen what happened to the minorities in the world. And we also practice that we want to do with the minority as well. I would like
को योग शिक्षा को पूरे विश्व में फैलाने के लिए जैसे IAS एकेडमी होती है, मसूरी में थी, वहाँ पर मैं 2 साल 96-97 वहाँ पर कोचिंग किया सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, और राजेंद्र जी के साथ में राष्ट्रपति, प्रधानमंत्री और डिफेंस, पुलिस, एकल विद्यालय के जो 1 लाख से ज़्यादा विद्यालय हैं, 2015 में रिटायरमेंट के बाद में उन सब के साथ में मेरी पत्नी और हम सब मिलकर के इस कार्य को कर रहे हैं। वहाँ पर जड़ी बूटी को ट्रेनिंग देना, रिसर्च करना, कुछ आयुर्वेद का 15 में रिटायरमेंट के बाद में 7-8 विश्वविद्यालयों के साथ में जुड़ करके हम आयुर्वेद पे प्रोडक्ट पेटेंट करा करके और इस देश की संस्कृति को पूरे विश्व में फैलाने का हमारी कोशिश है। और वो तभी हो पाएगा जब हम योग के माध्यम से, आयुर्वेद के माध्यम से, प्राकृतिक चिकित्सा के माध्यम से हम पहले सभी स्वस्थ होंगे। और हमारी जो संतानें हैं, इसके लिए हमने 10 साल लगे हमें गायत्री परिवार देव संस्कृति और आयुष मंत्रालय के साथ जुड़ करके कोलैबोरेशन करके हम संस्कारी संतान व भारतीय संस्कार विज्ञान के ऊपर कार्य कर रहे हैं।
हिमालय वाली कैप लगती है। थैंक यू। हाँ, आ जाओ। कन्नू भाई रियल हीरो ऑफ द फार्मर के बहुत बड़े लीडर।
We don't repeat. But nowadays, you see, right, 5 lakhs people were killed. I am not saying died, I am saying killed. And how we celebrate? 15th August, we do a Bollywood dancing. That is not the right way to celebrate 15th August. We should do something about it. I also request the government of India and CG to provide them at least some kind of guideline. I mean, you cannot enforce, but at least ask them that, hey, better do something in a right way. Our history, we doomed to repeat. 5 lakhs people were killed, most people do not know. Now there is another thing, 80 million Hindus have been killed so far. The whole history is hidden. Nobody is talking about. What does it mean? It is going to repeat. Thank you so much.
I do not want to be any negative for any of the leaders, but whoever really decided, either it was from Pakistani side or Muslim side or Hindu side, it was done very unfairly to the people. At least here, when we saw something happen in Africa, when Idi Amin actually really forced everybody to leave, there was a country who were able to take them, give them assignment. During the partition of the India, when displacement took place, there was nobody there to take it. You go and find your
atrocities which took place at the time of partition in our kitchen almost every day. Why? Because our parents went through all this. They went through a horrible time. Especially my parents, they belonged to the undivided India at that time, but now Dera Ghazi Khan in Pakistan.